term that you don't agree with other than the child support, or is it just the child support that you don't agree with?
It's the child support. It's also the back pay, the $40,000. I mean the $40 a month. I don't agree with either one of those.
Enjoy the video. Hit the like button.
You solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. Mr. Dyer?
Yes, ma'am.
Ms. Ogg?
Yes.
You may both lower your hands. And Mr. Talley, you may proceed.
Thank you, Judge. We are here on a petition for confirmation of non-agreed child support review order. If I could state the terms of a proposed order in lieu of the one that was filed, and then take testimony from the parties.
Confirmation of a non-agreed CSRP?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. You may.
So the proposed order would contain a child support judgment against Mr. Dyer in the amount of $2,713.20 as of October 31st. That judgment would be payable at $40 per month beginning December 1st. Mr. Dyer will apply for or maintain private health insurance for the child through his employer. State is proposing that guideline child support be set at $790 per month beginning December 1st. Court costs would be as billed to Mr. Dyer, and there's no request for a finding of non-disclosure. That is the extent of the order. If I may call the parties.
You may.
I'll call Mr. Dyer. Sir, would you please state your full name?
Harry Dyer.
Did you hear the terms of the proposed order stated to the court?
I heard them.
Do you understand those terms?
I understand them, but I don't agree with them.
Is there any term that you don't agree with other than the child support, or is it just the child support that you don't agree with?
It's the child support. It's also the back pay, the $40,000. I mean the $40 a month. I don't agree with either one of those.
Okay, what are you regarding the back pay? What are you requesting the payout on your arrears judgment be set at as opposed to $40?
I don't think it should be any back pay payment. I need to pay it, but I thought it came out as I paid my child support anyway.
Okay, so you're not disputing the judgment. You're just asking that there be no amount set that you are to pay it back at. Is that correct?
Absolutely. No amount. As I pay my child support, it'll get paid down because I'm consistently paying child support.
Okay. Regarding the child support, you understand that the number being proposed is the guideline amount based on the wages that have been reported for you, correct?
Yes, I understand that, but I don't agree with that because that's when I had 2 children, I didn't pay that much.
Well,
I have one
objection to
child.
non-responsive after everything. I understand that.
Mr. Dyer, just answer the questions that you're asked. I'll give you an opportunity to speak to me once Mr. Talley's finished answering questions. And if you don't mind, please don't drink while we're on this hearing, sir. We have to conduct the hearings like we're actually standing in a courtroom. I know you didn't know. That's why I'm just informing you. We're good. Okay. Go ahead, Mr. Talley.
Thank you, Judge. So you're asking that the court deviate from the guideline calculation, correct?
Absolutely.
Okay. And what is the reason for that?
Because it's a burden to me already. Like I say, I pay child support, but I actually am a real father who pays all kinds of other things outside of the child support. And Martina can verify, my children can verify, I do this.
Is there any other reason?
That's the best reason.
I
have bills, I gotta live and I need to pay my own stuff. So for you to increase it like almost $400 more is a lot. It's a burden, unnecessary.
I'll pass the witness, Judge.
You may call your next witness.
I'll call the mother. Ma'am, would you please state your full name?
Martina Ogg.
Did you hear the terms of the proposed order that were stated to the court?
Yes.
Do you understand those terms?
Yes.
Are you in agreement with the terms of the order?
No.
And is there anything other than the child support that you're not in agreement with?
No.
Okay. What are you, or why are you requesting that the court order something other than the proposed child support amount?
Because he does do for his kids, and by you raising it up, he already has 2 jobs, and my focus is time spent with his children. And by you doing that, it makes it less time that he could spend with his children. He has to be at work more instead of spending time with the children. That's the focus, is father and children together, not separated, because now he has to work God knows how many hours to even pay the child support and have no time for his children. And right now he's working 2 jobs and he gets his son every weekend, but he's like worn out because he's trying to keep up with just what he's trying to keep up right now as we're, he's paying.
So you're asking that the child support remain at the current amount of $416 per month.
Yes.
I'll pass the witness, Judge. Nothing further.
Okay, then I will I will grant the order in lieu of order a child support judgment of $2,713.20. Order that judgment paid at $40 per month. Order that dad maintain private health insurance on the child through his employer. Order child support at $790 a month. Order court costs as bill. All start dates will be 12/1/25. Miss Og, if you don't
Yes,
want
ma'am.
the money, if you don't need it, you can give it back to Mr. Dyer. When you get it,
Yes, ma'am.
my job is to
The
do
burden.
what I feel is in the best interest of your child, not just what's in
ma'am.
the best interest of him today, but what's in the best interest of him through today, through when he graduates from high school or turns 18. And so I am of the opinion that guideline child support should be ordered. I commend Mr. Dyer for being a good father. That's what good fathers do. They spend time with their children, but they also help them financially. And if that's going to keep him, if he's saying that he won't be able to do the extra stuff, like I said, you can give the extra money back to him so he can do those things. But I'm going to order it because everything's going fine right now. But in the future, if you came back, you might have a hard time getting it raised if you needed it raised because you didn't accept this modification.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
All right. Does anyone have any questions?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I heard what you say, and it really don't. You saying, and my son is 17,
Okay.
and you saying in the future, if there, it's no case for the simple fact, even before I left, I always provided and did, and I never stopped. I
Mr.
didn't
Dyer,
need
I'm
that.
not questioning you. I'm
All right,
not questioning that
you're
you're a
saying in
good
the
father.
future, you're saying in the future, if something happens, why would something all of a sudden happen at 17? I take care of my kids now, and I always have.
Sir,
I buy shoes, I buy
I
drawers,
don't know what might happen at 17. Like I
Why
said,
would it
okay,
change?
Mr. Dyer, hold on a second.
What
I'm
it
not the
change?
last word on this. This is out of the 255th District Court. That is Judge Vonda Bailey. She might have a different opinion from mine. So you have 3 days to appeal, 30 days to file a motion for new trial. Now that I've given you that information, do you have any questions?
I just feel like it's still just more work, more of a burden. Now I got to take out from 2 jobs to try to deal with another court case. When you could say, you know what, if you're doing this, she's saying you're doing this, why would you step and say, now he needs to go ahead and do more?
As I said, Mr.
Why?
Og,
She's saying it.
Mr. Dyer, Miss Og, I told you it's my opinion that I should order the child supported guidelines.
I understand, but I wasn't
You
finished
don't-
speaking. You just cut me off. I wasn't finished.
We just
I
don't
was saying-
agree, sir.
All right, but man, what I'm saying is you said just in case you want to raise it up, I want to go on and put it up so you won't have no problems later. If she said this is what she wants, she said this is what she needed. You're doing it on your own for some strange reason. You have no one does anything for Julius but me and her. No one. And so for me to make this statement, it's all real. You can't say, no, you're doing something, or yes, child support. No one is doing anything for him. I am. And she'll tell you I already do a lot beyond child support for him. Why does the court not recognize and respect that and be like, you know what? If she's saying it, who of us to just say, no, you need to pay even more?
Mr.
So
Dyer,
you don't be paying later.
it is my opinion that the child support should be set at guidelines. You do not have to agree with my opinion, sir.
I'm saying I got 3 days.
You have 3 days to appeal, 30 days to file a motion for new trial. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Any further questions?
No.
Okay. Anything else, Mr. Talley?
No, Judge. Thank you.
All right. Thank you both for appearing here today, and you're both free to go.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.